In this video, I'm going to talk about the all-new 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE. The CLE is a new model from Mercedes-Benz, but it's actually a successor to two existing models, the C-Class Coupe and the E-Class Coupe. The CLE is designed to bridge the gap between those two models, offering a more luxurious and sporty driving experience than the C-Class Coupe, but at a more affordable price than the E-Class Coupe. The CLE's design is a mix of the C-Class and E-Class Coupes. It has the same sleek and stylish proportions as the C-Class Coupe, but it also has some of the more aggressive styling cues of the E-Class Coupe. The CLE is available with two different engines, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder and a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six. Both engines are mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. The CLE's interior is just as luxurious as its exterior. It features a high-quality cabin with plenty of space for both passengers and cargo. The CLE is also packed with technology, including a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and the 11.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The CLE is a very capable car. The base four-cylinder engine is more than powerful enough for most drivers, but the inline-six engine is a real treat. It provides plenty of power and torque, and it sounds amazing. The CLE also handles very well, thanks to its sport-tuned suspension. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE is expected to start at around $50,000. This makes it a bit more expensive than the C-Class Coupe, but it's still a more affordable option than the E-Class Coupe. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE is a great choice for anyone looking for a luxurious and sporty coupe. It's stylish, comfortable, and capable, and it's priced very competitively. If you're in the market for a new coupe, the CLE is definitely worth a look. And here are some additional features. The CLE is available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. The CLE has a long list of standard features including a panoramic sunroof, a Burmester sound system, and a wireless charging pad. The CLE is expected to get good fuel economy, with the four-cylinder engine getting up to 30 mpg on the highway. The CLE is a great choice for buyers who want a luxurious and sporty coupe, but don't want to spend a fortune. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.